Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about what is click events and how this click events is very useful for the people who have websites and why people are capturing our click events. First of all, what is click events and how people are capturing it, and capturing my click events, what is the profit for them. So these are all the things we are going to discuss in this video. So basically, whenever you open your browser and you go for several websites like social media sites or online shopping sites, whatever sites you go, these site owners internally what they will do is they will just capture all the events, click events, and the other actions also, but especially click events they used to capture and store it in a file or a database. So they will store it in a file or a database or some other advanced technology, like they will store your data in a cloud or some other big data technologies like Hadoop or something, whatever it is. So first of all, you people can ask me like, see, basically we know that people are capturing our data in a sign up page, we fill all our details and we give submit. So they are also doing that also, but actually the events and actions captured is what they are the major business for them, whatever the major data they will consider. So that is the data they used to consider as a very big data and very major data and very importance. They will show importance only to these particular data, the actions and the click events what you do in the site. So basically what they used to do with this data, so they used to collect all your click events. When I click an image in an online shopping website, I just click an image of a product, or I just click some user reviews or comments or some next page button, whatever I do there, they used to capture this URLs or which device from which device I logged into this website, from which IP address I'm seeing to this, what is my name, what are all other sites I opened in another tab. So all this information they used to capture, including the URL, URI, context path, and everything. So they used to do, what they used to do with this, they used to analyze all these data with some RDBMS or existing data warehouse technology or any cloud or big data technologies. They used to analyze this data and they will just use, based on this analyzed data, they used to enhance their business and they will get more profit from them. So I'll just tell you an example. So people used to capture click events, that's what I told you. So I just want to buy some, 2 days before I did this, I just want to buy some pen drive. I just entered into some online retail shopping sites. And what I did is I just felt that pen drive cost is very high, so I didn't purchase it. That time I just logged into my desktop. Then later, after in my office, what I did after the next day, what I did again in my mobile phone, I just logged into the same Flipkart or Amazon, whatever it is. I just logged into it, and then just I was searching same pen drive and all those things. So again the next day from my tablet I did the same. So within the first day of my search from desktop, what they did is they just analyzed that this whole day he is searching for the product, even the next day also he searched for the product, but still he didn't purchase it. So immediately what they are doing, like they are just analyzing all my click events. He is just trying to purchase a pen drive and he is looking this product in a various different devices and from different IP address, but from the same login, same login, my Gautam, that's my login. So same login but different IP and different devices. But he is showing interest on that product, but he is not purchasing. Why? So they are getting some analysis, output, first thing, he's just doing time pass here. So that's what the first output, okay, just consider. They will get various parameters, okay, after analyzing the data, they used to get a various parameters. One is he is just a time pass, or he is feeling that particular product rate is very high, or he is also searching for some other online shopping sites and he already bought it or not. So these are all some parameters, just example, just whatever I know I'm just sharing with you. These are the parameters basically they used to consider, just imagine like that. Now what happened? What they will try to do is they will try to sell that product to me because I'm interested in that. See, last 3 days I am just seeing the website, whether I want to buy this pen drive or not. So they will just come for a conclusion. He is not doing a time pass and he is not purchased this product from any other site also, because last 3 days he is looking, so that still he didn't purchase. So they will come for a conclusion. The only bending parameter is I'm feeling that particular product is too high. That's what they identified. Know what they are doing? They are popping some advertisements. Even I'm in my social media, even I'm browsing some other sites where in that sites I'm getting my advertisement. In Facebook, okay, take an example, Facebook. So in Facebook, in left hand side, sorry, in right hand side, near to the chat box, you will get some advertisements. In that advertisements, I'm getting pen drive 1+1 offer. You can get this pen drive for this. Then I feel it is cheaper. Then I purchased it. So they are just making me to buy it by giving an offer. So how they come to know they have to give an offer for Gautam? by analysis, because past 3 days I was trying to buy the product but I didn't do. So they just identified I am just feeling the particular product is very high costly. So what they did, they are just giving an offer. So they are just also collecting information from other sites what I am looking into it, because in all these 3 devices I logged into my Facebook, it's already signed in. So when I enter into my Facebook, I can able to see the ad from Flipkart and Amazon saying that you can buy this product from our site so that it is cheap, now it's an offer for you. So these kind of analysis they are doing to sell the product, which in turn gives a profit for them. If you see early once these online retail shoppers are doing some big billion days and giving products for cheap, how it is possible? See, I cannot take a risk to give all the products in cheap without knowing whether people will buy the product or not. Even though if I give cheap, who will buy? Means people used to think if it is very cheap, it won't be very good quality. People used to think like that. But he have a guts to give that offers, for 1 or 2 days. How he is doing that? By doing some sentimental analysis based on the click, event and action which he got from the website. So he has come for a conclusion. Whenever I give some offers for people, people are tend to buy the product from my site. So that he identified this. Based on that only he started and giving an like big billion days and giving offers and giving many products for a cheap price. He come to know he is getting all the products in a less price because there is no broker in between the products, right? So that's why he can able to give the product as cheap. So I have another video like how these online retailers are getting profit, are getting money. There is a separate video I've just posted where you can see how these people can able to sell their product this much cheap, because it's like a factory outlet. There is no middleman concept between the product and retailers, right? So they just directly signed up with the company and they manufacture and they are getting all the products and they are just releasing it to us. So when we have many brokerages and dealers in between, where our product cost will get increased, right? So that's a separate video which I discussed, but this video agenda is to just I need to share you, because many of them who is watching this video are well known about this concept, but for few people I'm just sharing this information to you, like how these people are capturing our click events for what purpose. And I've just given a sample where people used to capture it when if their application is a PHP, they used to write a code in PHP to capture JSP, .NET. They use many web application languages, server-side and client-side applications. So I have just showed a quick demo about how to capture a click event from a web application through JSP. So you can also find that video also in the playlist of my JSP video. That link also I have just shared in the description box, which you can get that video from my YouTube. And thanks for watching A2Zknowledge.com. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. We provide many videos in 2 languages, English and Tamil. So we provide a lot of tech videos. Thanks for watching A2Zknowledge.com.